Oh, you're there. Good morning, children. Good thing you are here now, because I have a problem to solve and I need your help. Can you help me measure my marker? Here's my problem. I wanted to figure out the length of my marker using safety pins. I tried to measure correctly, but I kept getting different answers. Let me show you what I did. This is my first try, and I thought my marker was 4 safety pins long. Is there something wrong here? Well, you are correct. I should have made sure that the pins were aligned from one end of the marker to the other end. And on my second try, I thought my marker was 6 safety pins long. Can you spot what is wrong here? Excellent. Here, I should have used safety pins or units that are of the same size. And on my third try, I thought my marker was 4 safety pins long again. Is something wrong here? You got it. Here, I should have put the pins end to end without leaving any gaps. I will try to measure my marker again, but this time I will be following all the rules. Okay, let me start. There. Now let me check my work. So I started at one end of my marker and went to the other. I went in a straight line without overlapping. I did not leave any gaps in between the safety pins. And I used safety pins that are all at the same size this time. No pin is smaller, no pin is bigger. So, I got it! My marker is 5 safety pins long. Thanks for your help! I wonder if these rules will work on other units like cubes, counters, or blocks. What do you think? I now know when measuring objects I have to remember the following. Make sure the pins align from one end of the marker to the other end. Put the pins in a straight line without overlapping. Put the pins end to end without leaving any gaps. And use units that are of the same size. Today, children, we are learning to measure using non-standard units. What are we learning again? Yes. And by the end of the lesson, you will be able to measure and compare lengths and heights. Let's have our first activity. Draw a flower that is 5 cubes tall. And look, we have 1 cube provided here already. But before we draw, Flo is asking us something. Shall I draw, then check, or count the cubes first? What do you think, my sparkling learners? Yes, you are correct. First, we have to put and count the cubes, and then we can proceed with the drawing. Let's do it. So we have 1 cube here, 2, 3, 4, 5. Our cubes are ready. Now, let us draw. There, we are done. We're able to draw a flower that is 5 cubes tall. Up to the next challenge. Now this time, children, look at that flower and the cubes. The flower is 8 cubes tall. Is it true or false? How do you know? Explain your answer. I am going to give you few seconds to think. So, pause this video and try to explain your answer. Now, let's get back together and let's check your answer. The answer is false. It is false because the cubes should be level with the bottom of the flower. The flower is about 6 cubes tall only. Now let me show you that I'm going to mark both ends of this flower and the other end. Can you see that? And let us count the cubes from this end to the other end. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cubes. Okay? Clear? Let's move on to the next one. Let's keep using our thinking power. Okay, here's our next challenge. Erica measures the length of 2 toys. She says the toys are the same length. Look at the toys. Do you agree with Erica? Explain your answer. And again, you have to pause and think. Pause and think. Okay, let us sort this out. So, do you agree or disagree? Okay, if you disagree, then prove me that this Erica is wrong. You got it. Erica is wrong because both toys are 4 units long. But the thing is, she used different units for each toy. The rubber and the cubes are different lengths, so the toys are not the same length. This brings us to the end of the lesson. It is your time now. So, complete page 91, question 4, page 92, question 5, and page 93, question 3A of your Power Math Book 1B. And again, just a gentle reminder, be careful and be mindful to complete only the questions mentioned here. Okay? So, that is it. See you again next week, my dear children. Au revoir, ma'asalama, pa'alam. Bye, children.